Good morning, my dear students. Today we will be solving the grammar book. Okay. So in the previous chapter we have seen that the types of nouns, the kinds of nouns. Okay. So from that, the kinds of nouns, we will solve the examples which are given in the grammar book. So I want that while solving these grammar examples, I want that you keep open this grammar book in front of you and solve with me. Just open page number 16. Okay. So shall we start? Okay. So see here, the first instruction has been given that here classify the underlined words as proper noun. You have to write PN for proper noun, CN for common nouns, AN for abstract noun. So shall we start? Let's see the first example. It is Misha is the Lata Mangeshkar of our class. And what is underlined here? Lata Mangeshkar. So what do you think? What is the name of Lata Mangeshkar? It is a name of particular person. It is a name of properly given to a person. So what should we write here? We will write here P-N because Lata Mangeshkar is a proper noun. Okay. Now see the next example. The judgment on the case is pending. And here the word judgment has been underlined. So judgment. Can we see this word? Can we see judgment with our eyes? So judgment is an abstract noun. So what we will write here? We will write here A-N. Okay. Now see sentence number 3. I need to practice grammar more often. So it is underlined here grammar. So what do you think? What type of noun it is? Grammar. Yes, you are correct. Grammar is a common noun. So we will write here CN. See next, Mr. Pithawala has been transferred to Jhansi. Again, Mr. Pithawala has been underlined here. So Mr. Pithawala is a proper name of person. So Mr. Pithawala, which type of noun it is? Proper noun. So what we will write here? PN. Yes. Now see. The surgeon arrived late for the operation. The surgeon, we don't know. See, the surgeon is a noun. Surgeon is a name of person, but it is not a proper noun. It is a common noun. Commonly it is said the surgeon arrived. Surgeon, we don't know what is the name. Okay. So, surgeon is a common noun. So, we will write here CN. These all examples have been given in your grammar book. See, the Lakshadweep is known for its lush green landscape. So again Lakshadweep has been given here. Lakshadweep is a name of place which is properly given. The name is Lakshadweep. Okay. So Lakshadweep is a name of island. Okay. So Lakshadweep is what? Yes, proper noun. Okay. See here, one should respect all religions. Again religions. Can we see with our eyes the religion? No. This is the thing to experience. This is the concept. Okay. So what we have learned, the abstract noun. Yes. So what we will write here? Abstract noun for A-N. Abstract noun. Okay. See, Salam spent his boyhood Wayanad. Okay. Boyhood. Boyhood means, as we say, childhood. Yes. Okay. So this is also proper noun, common noun. What type of noun it is? Yes, it is the abstract noun. It is an abstract noun. So we will write here A N. Okay. See, on the next page, one table has been given. That table, you have to find out the nouns and you fill in that table. Okay. So below that table, the next instruction has been given that complete these sentences with suitable collective noun. So you might have get idea that what exactly you have to do. You have to fill the gaps, fill the blanks with the suitable collective nouns. Okay. So from the second standard, we have been learning the collective nouns. Okay. So this time also we will see this. Now see, a dash of fish was swimming near the river banks. Okay. So what of fish? Yes, it is shoal of fish. A shoal of fish was swimming near the river bank. Shoal of fish. Shoal of fish. It is a collective noun which is given for the collection of fish. Shoal of fish. Okay. See the next. Standing on the deck, she watched a dash of dolphins swimming in the sea. So the collective noun which has been given for the dolphin is pod. Pod of dolphins. Pod of dolphins is a name of collective noun which has been given to the collection of dolphins. It is said pod of dolphins. See next. A dash of lions attacked the safari car. Parade of lions. A parade of lions attacked the safari car. Okay. See, they picked the whole dash of grapes from the vine. Now exactly, immediately the idea, the word might have come into your mind. Okay. So what of grapes? Yes, bunch of grapes. Bunch of grapes. Okay. See next, a dash of thieves attacked the neighborhood last night. What of thieves? Gang of thieves. A gang of thieves. Okay. See next, the zookeeper is feeding a dash of monkeys. Okay. The zookeeper is feeding a dash of monkeys. What of monkeys? The collection of monkeys is called troop of monkeys. A troop of monkeys. Okay. Now see the next. The Trojans sent 1,000 dash of sheep to defeat the Greeks. Dash of sheep. So what we can say? A fleet of ships. A fleet of ships. Fleet of ships. That is a collection of ships is called fleet of ships. Now see, pass me the dash of papers. What will you say? Yes, the bundle of papers. Bundle of papers. Okay. Now see what is next. Grandma will not able to climb such dash of stairs. So one stair, two stair, no. We don't say like this. We say flight of stairs. We say flight of stairs. So here we will write flight of stairs. Okay. And see what is the last example. That is, the dash of wolves scared the villagers. Okay. So the pack of wolves. The pack of wolves scared the villagers. Okay. So what collective nouns we have learned today here? See, a shoal of fish, pod of dolphins, parade of lions, bunch of grapes, gang of thieves, troop of monkeys, fleet of sheep, bundle of papers, flight of stairs, and pack of wolves. Okay. So next part of the grammar book we will see in the next period. Okay. Till that, have a break. Have a good day. Bye.